Hello friends. All right, so we have some questions here to solve and it has to do with indices. Remember in the previous video, we did justice to the rules of indices, and in this current problem, we will have to apply the rules to solve it. So let's dive in. So the first problem says solve 3 raised to the power 2 into the bracket of raised to the power of 3 times 3 raised to the power of negative 4. So with I will want to divide the board into two because I will be solving at one part and stating the rules at the other part there. All right, so first of all, solution. Now this is 3 raised to the power of 2, and then there is a 3 outside, which is also a power. Now, which simply means this is a rule that has to do with power of power. Now, and that rule is this: a raised to the power of m into brackets n is the same thing as a m times n. So we are going to apply it here. This becomes 3 raised to the power of 2 times 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of minus 4. This becomes 2 times 3 is 6 times 3 raised to the power of minus 4. Now, the bases are the same, so we can use multiplication rule. In a scenario where you don't want to use multiplication rule, you can also convert this using the negative law or rule. But since the bases are the same, there's no need going through that long process. Let's use the multiplication rule. And the multiplication rule states that when the bases are the same, you take one of the base and add up the power. So here now the base is what? 3. So we have 3 raised to power 6. Now remember it is plus, so you put your plus. Now this is minus 4. Remember that you cannot just write two symbols, arithmetic symbols together. You have to separate it with a bracket. Now plus times minus is what? Minus. There's a way we normally remember it. Then we will say the friend of my enemy is my enemy, although it's not true, but that is how we used to remember it. So solving this further, plus times minus becomes minus. So this will take us to 3 raised to power 6 minus 4. And this will be 3 raised to power 2. And guys, what's 3 raised to power 2? 3 raised to power 2 is 9. And that is the solution to this problem. So stay tuned as we solve the second question. Do well to like, share, and comment.